people like me, I go to events and I'm like, wow, this is really cool. And what an amazing event. But what you don't realize is there's the backstage of how much work that you have to put in to make that event seem or appear seamless. But there's a lot of work going on behind the scenes. And that's, kind of a lot of where you come in.
Absolutely. My favorite analogy is the duck on the pond. You see the top of the duck and I'm underwater paddling like all get out. And there's great reward in that. So it's not necessarily like frantic, oh my God, what am I doing? But that's my job. My job is to make everything look seamless. And not only from the event planning part, but also the event strategy part, knowing that we've been strategic and thoughtful in everything we've been doing to actually put on that production so that we know that the people who are watching the duck are appreciative and are getting value out of the duck. And it's not just like, oh, that's a weird looking duck. What am I, why am I watching this duck? So
it's great.